children, let's start with chapter number 6, learn more about paint. So in this chapter, I will tell you about paint, different tools that we use, pencil tool, curve tool, select tool, and text tool, brushes, opening a saved drawing, and drawing a shape. Now let's study about paint. Paint, it is a program you use for drawing and painting on the computer. So in the previous class, you have learned the use of some tools in paint. We will learn more about some more interesting tools in paint. So let's study about different tools. Here it is shown. We have ribbon in the paint that has tool group. Brushes tool. This is your tool group. These are brushes. These are the different shapes group from where you can use different shapes over. Now, tool groups contain different tools that you can use to draw pictures in paint, and these are given below. We have pencil tool, eraser tool, fill tool, color picker, text tool, and magnifier. So we have already read about how to use the fill tool and eraser tool in the previous class. Let's us learn about pencil tool, size box, text tool, and use them to draw picture. So first is pencil tool. So pencil tool is used to create freehand drawing. To use this tool, follow these steps. First is click on the pencil tool in the tool group. Click on the size slider. Select the thickness of the pencil from the slider. Now select the color of the pencil from the color group. Click on the drawing area. ड्रैग द माउस टू ड्रॉ बटरफ्लाई. आप क्या करोगे, माउस को ड्रैग करोगे और बटरफ्लाई करोगे, ड्रॉ करोगे. एंड फॉर दिस इफ यू वांट टू फिल द कलर यू विल यूज फिल टूल, राइट, एंड यू कैन ड्रॉ द and fill the color over here. Next is text tool. When you want to write the text, so for that you use different thing. Click on the text tool, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and click where you want to add the text. जहाँ भी आप text को add करना चाहते हैं आप उस पर click करोगे, right? So the text tags appear in a new ribbon. A dotted text box will appear in a drawing area where you click. The text box has a cursor blinking. Then we have click on the font and the font size in a font group, a new ribbon and select option in them, and also select the font color. From where the color group? From the color group, type your text in the text box. When done, click anywhere outside the text box. The text will appear in the area. और जिस area पे आप जहाँ पे भी text लिखोगे वहाँ पे आपको text दिखाई देगा. Then we have brushes tool which is used for drawing lines with artistic effect. There are 9 types of brushes in the paint. To use the brushes, you will follow the steps. Here some steps are given to you. So let's follow. Click on the arrow under the brushes option. आप arrow पे click करोगे. Select the options from the menu. Click on the size slider. Select the thickness of the brushes. You will click on the color one, right? And then select the color from the color group. You will click on the drawing area and you will drag the mouse to draw a butterfly. Now you want to draw the shapes filled with color. So for that, select any shape from the shape group. Click on the color one and select color for the outline of the shape. Select the outline style. Clicking on the option under the outline. You will click on color 2 and you will select the color to fill inside the shape from the color group. Now select this fill style. By selecting the shape, different shapes you can select and you can color them like this. Now let's use the curve tool. So the curve tool, it is used for making curved lines. To draw curved lines, follow the steps. Click on the curve tool. Click on the size slider. Select the line thickness. You will drag the mouse to draw the line in a drawing area. Now click on the line and drag it to make a curved line. और आप उसको drag करोगे and by this you can make a curved line like this. Now select tool which is used to select the complete drawing or a part of drawing. It is used when you want to move or copy your drawing or to move a part from it from one place to another. To select the drawing, follow the steps. So in the selection group, click on down the arrow under the select tool. Click on the rectangular selection tool. Now hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse diagonally to select the object and release the mouse button. And like this, the object will be selected. Now moving the selected area. To move the selected object, follow the steps. So for that, click on the selection and then drag the mouse. आप selection पे click करोगे फिर drag करोगे mouse को. Release the mouse button. The object appears in the new location. Now saving your work. We have done everything. Now we want to save our work. So for that you have to click on file tab. Click on save as. A save as dialog box will appear. You will type the name in the file name box and you will click on the save button and your file will be saved. Now you want to open a saved file. अब हमने जो file save करी है अब उसको open करना है. तो how we will do? So for that you will click on file tab on the ribbon. Click on open. The open dialog box appear. Select the drawing you want to open from the dialog box. Then you will click on open button and your file will be opened. And different shortcuts also you can use like Control plus S for saving, Control plus O for opening and Control plus N for opening a new drawing. Now closing pane. A close pane, click on the file, then select the exit and your file will be exit from there. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.